Okay, when you arrive at Arashi Beach, there's the shack here, and we got one of these little thatch huts for free, and then we rented a chair, and so this is where we hung out at the beach all day, and then I walked down, 5-minute walk to the snorkeling. But yeah, beautiful beach. As far as beaches go, Eagle Beach in itself is a better beach, but you're going to get the best snorkeling right close by being here. So you can have the best of both worlds being here, which is nice. And back over by the entrance in that orange building up there, that's where I got my snorkeling equipment. So it's all real convenient. Great day. 2 thumbs up on a day at Arashi Beach for snorkeling and beach fun. Okay, so a 5-minute walk from Arashi Beach is the best snorkeling in Aruba. And I have spent hours here today. I had a fantastic time. And you can see we're kind of roped off there. They've got the boats there, people getting out and snorkeling. And even though there's a lot of people here, it hasn't been, I was here earlier and I really felt like I had a lot of it to myself. But you just have to swim just 10 feet out and you're starting to get right into it. It's amazing.